Hi, this is Mila, and I'm here with another Harry Potter ball. The MJ's Miniverse Make It Mini Potions, the Harry Potter edition, because the wizarding world is awesome. I will be opening it, I will be making it, I'll be comparing the difficulty level and just the general look of it with the Amartentia that I got already. The pinhole for this one is right here, close to the bottom of the label, and it is int 2. Let's see what it is. There we go. This one will open at once. I will do a spell. Wingardium Leviosa. Okay. Obviously not the correct spell, but it kind of opened up more easily. There's so much garbage that comes out of these. I feel bad for the environment. But I will find a way. What if I were to use it? Okay, if I were in that rough when I was opening it, okay, I would need to figure out another way to open it. But I can redo the balls. Okay, this part always falls. I can hear it. There it is. I can remake the balls. I just need to make sure to open them exactly at the line. But that'll be kind of cute though. Okay, let's see what it is. Oi, oi, oi. Well, it doesn't look like the Amartentia, which is good. Also, oh, that gets stuck in there. Okay. Well, I won't be making the table because, oops, I want to make the potion. And there's something here. It says paper label for potions. It is absolutely tiny. Like this is the round thing, and you can tell that it's kind of maybe ready to be cut out. I'm not sure. We'll see when we get there. I'll just put it right here off to the side. Nope, it didn't fly far enough. There we go. Let's start opening and see what we got. Ta-na-na-na. Okay, that's for the bottle. Don't need it. That's for the bottle. Don't need it. Anything else? Nope. And I'm keeping this. This is so much fun. And still don't know what it is. I'm resisting the temptation to look at this thing, the guide. Have another spoon. There are no tongues. Interesting, because actually for the first time and it feels forever, I used the tongues for the Amartentia to like stick the hearts in. So we'll see whether I will survive without tongues. And we have, ooh, sparkly balls. It's not sparkles, it is sparkly balls. Okay. Ooh, 2 things. And this is, ooh, golden sparkly balls. Okay. Maybe I'll just put this here not to lose it. Ouch. And what about this one? Come on, I want to know what it is. Oh, I dropped one. Naturally. It feels like I won't go. Ooh. I guess Slytherin. We're going for the one with the snake, the armadillo bile. Okay. That's going to be beautiful. And mixing ingredients. Love it. A bit more. Oh, there's another cauldron. And let's look at this. It must be the armadillo bile. Yes. Okay. So basically put the big balls, squish them, put them in the potion, put the little ones in, put it all in. Feels fairly straightforward. Okay, it had stayed stuck in the green package where the vial came from, so I am very happy that I didn't throw away the packaging yet. Okay, so let's get started. I guess the sparkly like powder is easier to work with because now it's like a 2-step thing where I need to squish it and then pour it, which is just honestly more of an option for disaster. I won't put everything in, but nothing wants to come in, so if I were to use the spoon to get it unlodged. dislodged. Some kind of lodged. Or I'll just use the spoon to squish it. There we go. Come on, a bit more. You can do it. Is it okay? Come down. Okay, there we go. It all went in. Let's get to crushing. There we go. It wasn't, now I'm making a mess. It wasn't difficult at all. So it does say, in the instructions, it does say to pour it in here. So I opened this already, and that was difficult, unlike the sparkles. Try to be careful so it only goes inside. Hey, success. Of course. I had to do it. Good job, Mila. Okay, now that it's all in, yeah, sometimes I stop speaking because it requires like every single % of attention I can give it. And the sparkles do seem like they require extra attention. Where's the spoon? Because there's still some in here. Maybe I could just kind of push him in. Okay, so that's one thing I need to mix in. And I do need to add as well the yellows. It's not sparkles. It's like little beads, I guess. And I'm not sure that like the potion seems orange. I can't tell because right now I put the sparkles on. I should have looked before. It looks quite beautiful from here now that I poured everything in. Can I show? There we go. And now I'll get to mixing. Is it orange? Let's see. Ooh, it's kind of goldeny orange. This is exciting. I hope there's a lot and it can easily go in. Thankfully, there won't be the same issues with the hearts, them getting stuck or anything like that. And I do know now that I can push them to the front with the spoon, so that's pretty good. Let's see. Okay, it's very nicely mixed in. Let's do this. Keep the snake maybe like this, just so you can see what's happening. And I will not spill. I solemnly swear to not spill anything. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. I assume at the end I'll probably have to do the same thing that I did with the Amartentia and like kind of just keep the bottle tilted for like a couple of minutes. So I won't make you watch all the details of that because that will be long. Like it felt, oh no, it felt long for me to do. But the beads seem to be coming down quite nicely, which is very encouraging. Okay, I'll get back to you once it all goes in. There we go. It kind of seems like I overfilled it, so whatever is here in this, I will put it back in. I don't want to overfill it because then the cap won't be able to go in. So yeah, I think it looks very cute. It looks very sparkly, so I'm pretty pleased. So there we go. Just put this in. Okay, yes, it went in very nicely. And yeah, now I'll cure. Oh, I was supposed to cure it before putting the cap. Oops. There we go. Oh, and I guess afterward I'll put the label. So I'll cure first and then put the label. Okay, that's a plan. Let's cure. So here's the label. I wrote Armadillo Bile on it. I hope... Oh no, I put one L. Let me add a second L. Yeah, it has two L's. So now I'm assuming it is a sticker because it's... I thought it was cut in the back because I could see it something in the front, but I wasn't. So I'll try to like take it out and I just hope that I won't rip it. Because obviously I can't put the entire thing there. It does show it's just this bit. Okay, there we go. Maybe it'll lift off. I don't want to rip it. I don't want to rip it. I didn't rip it. I didn't rip it. Okay, success. And now let's... No, it's smudged. Okay, I will have to redo it once I put it on. Where does it go? Kind of underneath the head of the snake. Okay. That is so sad. I was so proud. Okay, let me just, I guess, remove all of it. This way I can redo it once it's on the thing. Okay, give me a sec. There we go. Now it's written on the label and I'm not touching it anymore. So this is what it looks like all done. The beads did all go to the bottom, but it kind of looks like part of the look of the potion, and it's very nice and sparkly at the top, so I'm not upset about this at all. Like, it's quite pretty. The Armatentia was definitely more difficult. So difficulty wise, this one is the easiest, and Armatentia is the more difficult, but looks wise, I do have to say I do love the pink with the hearts. So right now this is my number 1 and that's my number 2. And let me know what you think. I will see you for the next one we do, so make sure to like and subscribe to not miss it. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!